How to split comma separated data into separate columns in Microsoft Excel. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily split a comma separated data in the separate columns in Microsoft Excel. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So guys, I have this data which is in comma separated form and I want to separate this data into separate columns. So to split this comma separated data into separate columns, first of all I have to click on this column option, and here you can see data option, click on it, and here click on text to columns, and from here you can select delimited and click on next, and here make sure that comma is selected and click on next, and here it will show you the preview of your results, and click on next and click on finish. And you can see we have successfully separated our comma separated data into separate columns. So guys, in this way you can split comma separated data into separate columns in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.